The local division of Chinese car maker MG has confirmed its electric Corolla-sized hatchback is due on sale in Australia in early 2023. MG, Australia's second biggest seller of electric vehicles in 2021 behind Tesla, is getting ready to expand its EV range. The MG4, teased earlier this year, has been largely revealed in an image from the floor at SOIC Motors' Ning plant, which produces the MG5, HS, and Pilot. It looks like a big step up for MG, although you can tell where the company's designers got their ideas from. There's a new widescreen infotainment system and a tiny digital gauge cluster mounted on the dashboard, which looks suspiciously similar to the infotainment setup in the Cupra Born. Interior comfort should be better than in the ZS-CV. However, thanks not only to the longer wheelbase but also to its slightly wider design, 1836mm versus 1809mm. Revealed for Europe earlier this year, the new 2023 MG4 electric vehicle is on sale for the equivalent of just over $45,000 in Australian dollars.